That's pretty though. No, dumbass! I'm like, what have you done? Who's ready to DoorDash in some nasty cold weather? Oh, not me. But we need the money, so let's go DoorDash. I don't know how long we're on DoorDash. I want to try to make $50 to $75. We'll see how I'm feeling once I get out into this cold, so pray for me. Actually, I went inside to eat something real quick and charge my phone, but now we're gonna go DoorDash, so let's go. Oh, snowbank, oh my God. Not even 30 seconds into my dash, I got a shit ass order. They want me to go 14 miles for Burger King and for $6.20. No, you're crazy. So this better not be how the dash goes, because then I'm gonna go home and just save my gas. So let's see. Okay, we got an order for Taco Bell going 11 miles for $13. So not too good on miles, but not bad. We got these 2 big bags and some drinks. So I'm going to need both hands. Now to take it 15 minutes away. Roads aren't looking too good. Hopefully we stay safe tonight. We're gonna take everything slow, so try not to slip. It's like the pre-snow is the worst. But it's always like 13 $13 so far. Yeah. Now we have to drive 15 minutes back to my zone. Yay. I'm only time slotted from 6 to 7 because that was the only thing available. So I'm hoping when we get back, it's like, okay, you're done. That'll be a lame ass vlog. You guys just watching me just to complete one DoorDash for $13. If that's true, thank you for watching. If you guys didn't know, I got monetized. Yay! So I'm making that money. So that's all thanks to you guys. You guys are crazy awesome. Always watching my videos, putting them on playlists and watching them all day long at work. That's crazy. I would have never thought people would have thought me interesting, you know? So that so many people are like, wow, like I really like it. Like people told me I'm their comfort creator now, and I'm like, that's crazy. So that's just kind of an awesome thing. So I want to thank you guys, and we're only up from here. We're almost, I just hit 13K and got monetized. I'm almost to 14K already. I'm like, this is crazy considering only a few months ago I could barely get 100 views on a video. So it's just crazy what it happens. It happens so quick. The wind is crazy. That's the worst of this storm. So alright, I'm gonna stop vlogging so I can focus, because once I get out of this town it's just pitch black and it's like you have to be like this watching. So no breaks for me. Go to KFC for $6.25 for $2. I'm lying, for 2 miles. Oh goodness, I am tired. Oh, look at this little old man. Old people are so cute. I hope my order's ready. Usually they take a while. Oh, it is coming down. Maybe we'll have a snow day tomorrow and I won't have work. To come home with me. Look how cute they are. To Wonderland out here. Now to go, 7 minutes away. I wish miles was like minutes. So I think that's what my brain thinks it is. You know, like I can't, I'm like, oh, 2 miles, 2 minutes away. No, dumbass! It's not. It's not how it works. Unless you're going 100 miles per hour. How's it going?
Doing well. How are you?
Good.
Realized that was right smack in the way, and I was like, oh God.
Right. There you go. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. Drop that order off. They were like getting a package, and so I was just like, here you go. They upped it from the $6.25, I think it was, to $7.65. So yeah. We also slid a little at the stoplight, turning into this neighborhood. We just kept going straight. Bertha said, she also needs like new brake pads, so yeah, so oh well. Add it to my growing list of things that needs to be done and to be paid. Okay, the amount of shit that is like piling up, I think we have to put it to the back of our mind, honestly. Otherwise, I would not be able to function. So like, I'm like, oh, like, I'm okay on money, but I'm like, but I got an eye appointment tomorrow for my eye issues with my eye floaters. And I'm like, shoot, like, yes, I have insurance now, but I'm like, I don't know if it's going to cover all of it. So I'm like, I hope it's not expensive. I'm like, what if it is? What are you going to do? Be like, can't pay, sorry. You know, so I'm like, let's go DoorDash, make some money. And then Buck, my orange cat, has like scratched the front of his ear. And at first it was just a little scratch, and I thought him and my other cat were like, they play, but sometimes they play too hard. And I thought that's what they were doing. And I've been watching them. I came home today. His little spot that was like just a little spot is like now this big. I'm like, what have you done? So I'm like, oh. So I'm going to, my sister has a cat that has skin issues and scratches, and so I'm going to see what she used on her cat. Maybe do that for him. If not, if it doesn't work, I'm going to have to take him to the vet and see what his issue is. Because everybody's got to have issues when there's money problems, right? DoorDash better stop playing with me. Sending me a Taco Bell order to go 12 miles for $2. No. Shame on you. What kind of charity is that? That's probably a 25-minute drive. Oh my God. That's crazy. And that's from the person. So anybody that's like, you know, there's a lot of people that don't understand about DoorDash. So a lot of times people are working by offer. So what I'm doing, so 90% of the time, we only get what you tip. So if you're tipping me $6 to go get your Subway, that's all I'm getting. Unless I'm by hour, and sometimes by hour isn't even available. They only offer to a certain amount of people per area, and it'll be like time earned by time isn't available, so you gotta do by offer. So whatever you're tipping is all we get. So yeah, that's what's going on there. Sometimes DoorDash will add $1 or $2 of their money to your order to make it more enticing, but yeah, so if you're ever like, why isn't nobody being my order? Because that is abhorrent. Shame on you. Finally got a decent order for Pappy's, so we're gonna go pick it up, and it is for 3 miles for $7. Pappy's. I'm here.
Realize it's the weather turned like this already. Good God. Get back, Chloe.
Oh, got a McDonald's order for $5. Usually I don't take it, but I was passing right by McDonald's and taking it 2 miles. So let's go get it. They're going to these apartments, and I hate these apartments. They always smell like piss, and they're so confusing on trying to figure out where you're taking it, because no one in that freaking place puts which building they're in. There's like 3 buildings. You know, it'd be helpful if you said if you're in the first one, the middle one, or the last one. I'm in 214. Great, that means nothing to me. Oh, I hate tape. I wish we could see, like, we can see, like, in general where it's going, but it's not gonna tell me, like, oh, it's these apartments. If I did, I'll be like, no. But usually I can tell when it's like such a low, and they're always low orders. Like $5 isn't bad, but there's been times where like I was on by time, and I'd go deliver it and they had 0 tip. Bro, you had me go to Dollar General to get your baby a bottle and baby medicine and baby food, and you're tipping 0. Like, I get maybe times are tough, but maybe you shouldn't have that baby if you can even tip a few dollars. God damn. Why Siri loves to take me on these awful back roads, I will never know. Like, you could have made me take the main road to get to these apartments. Now to take it to Timbuktu. Find this freaking apartment. Ooh. That's pretty though. Good Lord. I found it. It's the first building. Success. I'll try not to die. Also, why I need to get in shape this year. Those stairs. There's only a few of them. I'm huffing and puffing. Badass. United Dairy Farmers for $6 going 3 miles. It's a freaking blizzard out and someone's getting a bunch of pints of ice cream. Like, okay. You do you. I'll turn down my heat a little so it don't melt. The snow's really coming down. I might have a snow day tomorrow. Yay. Another day off. These roads are getting bad. I think this might be my last order, or maybe just one more. We'll see. Look at that snow, bro. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be done for the night. Everything's fine. We're all good. I believe I'm on my lane.
She was a fairy.
Oh my god, it's so cold. I'm like sliding all over the place. These shoes have no traction. I'm like, I almost ate shit right in front of the door. So let's go to the pet area. Online it says it might be ear mites. He used to have them when he was a kitten, but he might have ear mites. So I got this. I'm also gonna do this, so that way if it's just like an infection in his ear, that'll help. I need something like this or this, but for cats. Like, why don't they have it for cats? Okay, they don't have a cone. They don't have any like antibiotics to put on it, so we just got a few things just to stop him from scratching it. So I'm gonna have to order everything else online. Cat stuff secured. I'm home now. So it was an okay DoorDash. Made 40 bucks. Pretty good. Spent most of it on my cat. Love that for me. So here's hoping we have a snow day tomorrow and I can do a little dashing. So thank you guys for watching. And if you made it to the end, put a cold and snow emoji so I know who is watching my whole videos. Thank you guys for getting me monetized. Thank you for 30K. I love you guys and hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time.